In 60 seconds, we're shutting down Windows Update from Windows 10 and Windows 11 at the service level. Just follow along. The first thing you need to do is to go to this Windows icon down below. After doing this, go above and then click to search. Right here, we're going to type services. Make sure to press enter and then we're going to the next step, which you can find right here. There are many things here, can be quite complicated. The only thing you need to do is to click once with the left mouse button and then press W and you will filter with every single letter that starts with the W. What we're going to search right now is Windows Update. Scroll down and then double click on it. Right here, what we need to make sure we do is to click on Startup Type. We put it on disabled, then we click on service status running. No, we want it to stop. So press on stop and then click here on apply. But watch out, this is what most tutorials are actually missing and Windows is going to enable this by an update. So how to make sure it doesn't start up again? Just go to recovery, it's in the same tab. And then we have first failure. And then right here, let's click on it, take no action. And make sure it is the same for second failure as subsequent failures. If you have done this, then you can click on apply. And then we need to make sure that another service is disabled called Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Windows Update Medic Service. So press on the B and then you might find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Let's go and do this the same steps as before. The startup type is going to be disabled. Then you click on stop, then you apply, then you do recovery. Make sure that every single one here is on take no action. And once you have done that, also for Windows Update Medic Service. And if it's not available, that is possible. So Windows Update, and then you should find the next one. If you don't have Windows Update Medic Service, that's completely fine. What you can do right now is restart your computer and it will solve your problem. Make sure to subscribe and to check out the channel for more useful Windows tutorials and also some Samsung ones. I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.